Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to DigitalOcean using OAuth and personal access tokens. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the DigitalOcean website. Log in to your DigitalOcean account. Navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on the API option. In the API section, you will see two options, OAuth applications and personal access tokens. To create a personal access token, click on the Generate New Token button. Provide a descriptive name for your token in the input field. Choose the appropriate scope for your token based on your needs. Click the Generate Token button to create your personal access token. Once generated, make sure to copy the token and store it securely, as you won't be able to view it again. Next, to authenticate using OAuth, click on the OAuth tab within the API section. Click the Create New OAuth Application button. Enter a name for your application in the provided input field. Provide a redirect URL where users will be sent after authentication. Optionally, you can add a description for your OAuth application. Click the Create OAuth Application button to proceed. After creating the application, you will see your client ID and client secret. Copy these credentials and store them securely. To authenticate using OAuth, direct users to the DigitalOcean authorization endpoint. Make sure to include your client ID and redirect URL in the authentication request. Once users authorize your application, they will be redirected to your specified URL along with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code for the next step. Now, exchange the authorization code for an access token by making a POST request to the DigitalOcean token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code in the request body. Upon successful validation, you will receive an access token in response. Store this access token securely, as it will be used to make authenticated API requests. To verify that the authentication is working, make a sample API request using your access token. Include the access token in the authorization header of your request. Check the response to ensure that you've successfully authenticated to DigitalOcean. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.